welcome to 3D printed soup. This week I have bought myself the Oculus Rift S. See my video, which is linked there. While I unbox it, I'm pretty impressed with it. The only thing I'm not impressed by is the audio. For some reason they decided to basically have external rear firing speakers instead of the nice over-ear speakers they used to have back in the days of the original Oculus CV1. So I went out and bought myself a pair of regular over-ear speakers. Now there must be a way that I can 3D print something I can attach these to and allow them to hang down and do the job of the cable clip and the audio over ear as well. Let's see what we can find. So, after Oculus has made their bizarre decision to put rear-firing speakers in their headset and not actually including proper over-ear audio, which goes to prove that Palmer Luckey was the only person at Oculus who gave a damn about audio and understood that audio is as much a part of VR as visual. Here is my solution. I've got the cable clip replaced with an audio clip. And on the other side I've got another audio clip here. These can be adjusted by pulling these in and out to make sure the height is right for your ears. You can move the headphones to any angle that you wish. These headphones I got off Amazon, but they're not particularly good quality ones. I've got a pair of much better quality ones on their way, but I wanted to do this video, so I thought, you know what, I'll use a cheap pair just to demonstrate. Cable clips are placed, so you can just put the cable straight in there, keeps it away from there, keeps it away from the headphones, and then you can place this on and you've got cables here kept nicely out of the way around the side of the cable. Plug them on, down the side, over your ears, and you're sorted for the audio straight out of the side jack. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. As always, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe and click the notification button so that you know when I'm going to upload my next video. I try to upload one a week and I'm getting pretty good at that. So next time I'm going to be printing out a wall mount for my new Rift S so it can hang somewhere like that. If you've got any comments or any ideas for prints, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.